Hey and welcome to Alpha 1 this Sunday morning. We are now going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can use completely for free. Just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also, help me out a little. Like this video, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Of course, if you like this type of videos, it's a given, right? And if you have any questions, you can put them below the video. Also below the video, you find a link to my community for Telegram and WhatsApp. I share all my Forex trades and binary option trades there. So make sure you join it if you have any interest about that. I share a little more at WhatsApp. Last few days I have had a little problem with Telegram, so I have not shared my trades for the last 2 or 3 days in Telegram, just so you know that. But WhatsApp have gone as normal. I think they had a problem with Telegram, so if you have opportunity to join WhatsApp, it's better there. Also there you can chat with me directly, after or before, whatever you want. Just don't call me. If you call me, I might block you, okay? But you can write to me, that's completely okay, and I'll reply when I have time. So if you want to ask me any specific questions, make sure you join WhatsApp, okay? But now, let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. I need to admit we got lucky there. You can see now right after it again, he fall directly down in the place we would have lost. So only the last 40 seconds he chose to go up. So yeah, this time around we got a little lucky. Now let's see how it looks like, how much money we made. Let's go to close the trades. Let's bring up the good old calculator. We take minus 1,789 plus 2,577. We made a profit of $788. I am super happy with that, even though this was pure luck. I will say I was expecting to lose this trade. But you can have this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.